Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your room on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Click on the My Room section at the top, and here you should select what would you like to create, such as a living room, a bedroom, kitchen, some kind of outdoor space, bathroom, closet, home office, or anything else. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you have a vast variety of options. Click on the relevant one, and after that tap on the plus icon and click on Start from an empty room, which is the first option. First of all, you need to select the room of your shape. Here you have 8 options, as you can see. You have 7 room shape options. The 7th one is that you can draw the shape of your room, or you can also measure it with your own camera. So here you can create any shape that you like. If you are done with it, you can also select the thickness of the walls, and after that you are ready to add the floor, add furniture, select the room size, the properties of it, rotate it, and open it in 3 dimensions. So feel free to edit your room and make as many changes as you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.